Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question, straightforward to answer. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a crazy strong move. I mean, when you consider where the price started the day and then where the price ultimately ended, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very solid move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $3.25. Why is $3.25 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about $3.25. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there's a pretty drastic pullback. Not saying it'll happen, but just for example's sake, price comes down here. However, in this case, behaves in this manner, goes sideways, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you still have the overall stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, progress in this situation being quantified as $3.25. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, next key level of resistance to watch, going to be right up here at, let's see, what is that about? $3.75. So $3.75, next key battleground going forward. Anyway, you slice it though, very powerful move today, and now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.